Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end.
This cat eagerly holds on to this man's leg while being rescued from a tree. Cats are good climbers, but once they have to go down, their sense of balance isn't as good. As a result, they panic and go up higher, which leads to them being further trapped up on trees.
What's the shape of a bubble?
Apparently, bubbles can have shapes other than a spherical one.
That is our square bubble. Here's the secret. It's the structure, right? You can make the structure a bunch of different ways. This was made out of toys. You could use pipe cleaners and straws. That will work as well. I just put some Dawn dish soap down inside this tub. That's it. No glycerin, nothing special. The secret is being able to pull it out and allow it to just sit there. That trampoline in the middle is what you want. I can shake it this way. There's the window. This way is the trampoline. Now I just simply drop the bubble in. Or the circle becomes the square, and now I can blow it up. The structure provides the support, and you got the perfect square bubble.
This hockey player's puck control and shooting accuracy is top-notch.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Here's how a brush is prepared for calligraphy or painting. It is being dipped into a water-soluble glue so that this brush would hold its shape very well and all the tips would be pointy as possible.
Go!
Here is how frozen bubbles would look like from above. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.